Today, join me as I take you to Lakeview Le Jardin, which is the newest attraction in Transcentral Highway. Located at 30 kilometers, Sitio Inaad, Barangay Tabunan, Cebu City, they are open daily from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. with an entrance fee of 50 pesos. And gitawag siya og Lakeview because nganhi makita nato ang Malubog Lake. And Lakeview Le Jardin does not only offer a great view, nag-offer sad sila og good food. That makes them a perfect dining destination. They offer all-day breakfast, salad, soups, grilled panini, burgers, and even pizza. They also offer a variety of desserts, coffee, fraps, and shakes. So this is a perfect combo, food plus view. And for that, mga una din ta guys. And what I am having is their Lakeview burger. This burger has a charcoal bread bun plus 150 grams of beef patty, lettuce, tomato, house-smoked bacon, crispy onions, and cheese. And this is their Lakeview pizza. Ang pizza nga na chorizo and pork kawali. And after eating, mga ito na sa garden para of course, para makilis ang ato ang gikaon. Sulti sila nga 100 steps kuno going up to see this panoramic view, but honestly, tanaw na ko wala siya nakabutog 100. It was really quick lang. And grabe ka effortless. And here you can have a better view of the Malubog Lake. And in going down sa pikaside, ganito na makita sa mga daghan kay nga buwak and a variety of plants too nga if ever plantito or plantita ka, malipay jud ka. And I have a tip to share if ever mga anhi magali mo, perfect time mo anhi would be around 3 p.m. para daytime, then to sunset, and naa sa dayon mo'y night view. And I strongly suggest to contact them ahead for reservations.
Here in Lakeview, try our really good food and check out our really awesome garden. We're located kilometer 30 in Transcentral Highway, right beside Charlie's Cup. We're open every day from 8 to 6, and on weekends we can extend until about 7 p.m.
But guys, always remember to be a responsible traveler and of course to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating, and lastly to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling.